That's it. Right. Down just a little bit. Hit.
Target 4 again.
She got it ranged.
Target number 2. Down, down, down.
Right.
I've been waiting on it though. Hot.
Don't know.
I can't.
Still short. Pull the trigger back longer. There you go. There you go. That's on the next one. Again. Left. Hit left. Come back right. Right. Alright, snatch the handle back. Snatch it back, push it forward. Open the hatch. Sweep the links. Lift the cover. Alright, take your push tab on top, slide it out.
Give me a good burst on target number 2. Good burst. There we go, down. Outstanding, good hit. Next target. Down. Give me a good burst. There you go, that's better. Run them down, run them down. Run them down.
I'm sorry.
Way low, way low. Resting on there. All right. So this is flush. This issue we have is Lincoln ammo.
When do you do? Гори, гори, кричал! Вот, эй! Вам где?
Second from the left, to the left of this first 100.
Right. Okay. Don't lift
And
it.
then it's almost straight back.
Enemy 300 meters.
300 meters!
Stay there.
What's up?
200 and then 300.
Alright, I'm going one right now.
Enemy 200 meters.
Короче,
300. 300. Tighten up that shock rope. Barrel change.
Different than being on a truck.
Go ahead. how you're slightly right. I want you to come one.
I'm bringing him back when
Right now he's going to do 3-round burst.
Okay.
Alright, your larger belt. How many belts do you get?
So you're gonna do 2 other fucking
He was having me do a 2-round burst.
And we'll just see where that lands.
So, is your adjustment made after these?
I tried to push it.
Just do it opposite, see where that lands. Up 2, then I would go 4. Okay. The opposite direction. We will be after this.
Okay.
It's enough for one more firing iteration, right?
Ceasefire. Instructors clearing ground all weapons.
Are you aimed in on it?
Okay, go ahead and put it on sight.
Alright, now what would that
Shoot. We have it out hot.
25.
Clear to go hot again. Watch your shoot.
So 25.
Alright, you're good to go.
Is that centerpiece right here, is it above or below the 0? Below? Okay.
Seven belt later.
Okay, right there, bring it forward.
Alright, go ahead and take the barrel out. Alright, give it low.
Do that, you just read everything from the left. You can do what you want. Yeah. And then you have your traversing.
It came out like.
Yeah.
Probably didn't help. Pull up. That'd be alright.
Switching up.
Pretty much right here we have the M240 Bravo with our Ironman backpack, and we have an adapter for the 240 Bravo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it together. Just pop that pin in. And you have to push in on both sides. And then this pin over here locks it right into place. Then you take your 240 Ironman backpack. Go ahead and take the feed chute. Shift it around. And then as you can see, the two clamps slide inside. You open up the gator clips and it clips right in there. Now, this idea came from a soldier wanting to have mass firepower on the objective. So they came to us with an idea of how they could carry much more 7.62 without using an ammo bearer. So they came to the engineers, talked to the engineers. The engineers developed this backpack and applying the feed chute to it, and you can carry 500 rounds. As you can see, once you put the backpack on, soldier assisted, and it snaps right into place. Ideally, we say that we want you to have the feed chute coming over the shoulder and not under the shoulder. It prevents more twists, and it doesn't have the stoppage of ammo as it's feeding through the gun. And there you go. Pretty much you can fire it at this point in time in any position. You can fire it in the standing, you can fire it in the kneeling, and fire it in the prone. It has been tested. ATEC has tested it, and we're continuing to test it with other weapon systems. The other weapon system in which we've tested this weapon with is the Mark 48. These pins don't slide out very easily. And that's your detached part. So you take it away from the 240 Bravo, and soldiers came to us with another idea of utilizing the Ironman backpack with the Mark 48. So what we did, we came up with another engineering design. All right, soldiers came to us with an idea saying they want to use the Ironman backpack with the Mark 48. So we basically took the 240 Bravo adapter that already comes with the weapon system, and we made a prototype of this, which is our Mark 48 adapter, which slides into the 240 adapter. And with the locking pin, you lock that into position. Now you just take the 240 adapter and you slide it into the position for the Mark 48. And as you can see, it locks in on the right side of the gun and it locks in on the left side of the gun. Now you just take the gator clips, remove the gator clips, and attach it onto the Mark 48 adapter. Now you have the same functionality that you have with the 240 with the Mark 48.
Hold it like a pistol. There you go.
Maybe the weapon.
Look at your fucking bolt.
Let's go, come on.
Let's go. I was going in.
Two, three, go. Keep going, just listen to me. Don't spend so much time clearing it out.
Guess let's go.
Just visually see that shit.
Pull it out. Pull the fucking guts out.
Be aggressive with it, dude. You ain't gonna hurt her.
see how like if you don't have it lined out flat, you see how it's kind of a bitch to get that pin in?
Yes, that's cool.
See how much easier it slides around. That's hard.
Watch what I do, 'cause we've been taught ways how to do this where you can cut a shit at a time off.
I push it out, I can pull it, I can pull this, and that drops. Start over. Took me like 2 seconds.
Yeah, don't rack it back.
That's what I'm saying, don't rack it back.
It's just gonna get fucking caught. Get out of yourself.
No, no.